Cardinal Health's Greenwood, South Carolina site manufactures and delivers essential care products and solutions used by millions of customers every year. Greenwood produces over 140 different product SKUs, including items such as protective underwear, adult briefs, and underpads. Each year, Greenwood produces over 1 billion pads alone. At least 15 trucks of raw material are delivered every day to start the manufacturing process that turns the raw material into a finished product. Cardinal Health has the manufacturing experience to meet our customers' needs. Our location has been in production since 1962. We invest millions of dollars each year to ensure we have the latest technology to help meet customer demand. Our quality lab ensures the products we create meet our customers' needs by assuring consistent product conformity. We maintain production efficiency by focusing heavily on preventative maintenance. Nano precision sensors help identify issues even before they start. In addition to manufacturing products, Greenwood also has a distribution center that ships approximately 200,000 cases of finished goods every week to hospitals, nursing homes, and individuals across the country and the world. That means about 40 trucks leave the shipping dock every day. The most important part of Greenwood is the people. With over 350 committed, experienced staff, we aspire to be healthcare's most trusted collaborator. Greenwood is committed to building on our scale and heritage in manufacturing and distribution, driving growth through customer insights, data and analytics, and focusing our resources on what matters most: our customers.